It's that time of year again. Spring is waking up and so is your pond. If you're like most pond owners, you're probably itching to get everything dialed in so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy it with your family. Let's make sure your pond is healthy, clean, and clear all season long. Your pond is more than just water, it's an entire ecosystem. Beneficial bacteria are the workhorses that are going to keep your pond balanced and break down waste and fight algae blooms. As soon as your water is above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to want to go ahead and add a cold water bacteria to get the bacteria colonies started early in the season. Once the water temperatures hit above 60, we're going to switch to a warm weather bacteria. Your fish are waking up now, and the kids and grandkids are getting eager to feed them. We want to make sure that we don't feed fish before the water temps rise above 50 degrees, as this can harm their digestive systems. We're going to start with a cold water formulated fish food between 50 and 60 degree water temperatures, and then above 60 degrees we can switch to a normal high protein koi food. Winter leaves behind some muck and leaves and fish waste in the pond. We want to make sure that we get this cleaned out for spring. We're going to do a full pond drain and clean to accomplish this. It's important when you're moving your koi from your pond into a storage tank for a cleaning that they be handled properly. Our favorite method is to use a sock net to move the koi from the pond to a storage tank. The sock net is going to allow us to move the koi in water, which is going to drastically reduce the stress that they're under during this process. One other thing that we love to add in the spring is some tropical lilies into the bottom of the pond. They're going to block sunlight and stop algae blooms in the spring and the summer, and we like to use a breathable aquatic pot so that the roots can absorb more nutrients from the pond. It's also a good idea to put a fertilizer, especially a slow-release fertilizer, into the lilies at this point in the season, so you're going to get incredible blooms all year. Spring pond prep is about getting things set up right so you can spend more time enjoying it for the rest of the season. We hope that this video helped, and in the description we have linked all the products that we suggest using in the spring.